Welcome to Saaltlab, your audience, your flavor, your growth.
Hey y'all, I am Shane. I am the creator behind multiple brands that makes creative based on data, not just guess, and I am here to help bring your creative vision to life. In this video, here is what you will discover. Let's dive in. Whee! All right, so first and foremost, for us to get started, we need to open up a video presentation. So how do we do this? So we go to templates right here in the left toolbar, select templates, and then go to video, and then we're going to select videos right here. And then what we could do is we could go ahead and create a video from scratch if we like, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select a template. So we're going to customize this template right here. Wait for it to load. All right, so here it is. And what we'll do is we'll get rid of this audio file. So we are getting rid of that. And I'm going to show you how to add your own audio file. So we'll go to uploads, upload files, and then I'm going to select this audio that I have here. We watch it upload.
Hey, if you run one or multiple businesses like me, and you ain't got time for all this.
We don't have time for that.
Right? I get it. You'd rather have someone else do the work. So go to our website at saaltlab.com and select an unlimited plan that fits all of your business's design needs in Canva, plus more. You can pause or cancel anytime. The link is in the description below. So use code SALTY24 to get $100 off your first month. Also sign up for our newsletter for more practical tips on how to make more money in your business with good design and powerful tools. The link is below. Okay, cool. Let's jump back in.
All right, here it is. So we need to select this, just select it, and then we're gonna drag it right underneath of our clip where it says drop music. So we've got it drop. So let's play it to make sure it works. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Lord of the Rings vibes, baby. All right. So next we'll select these three dots and we can chop this up however we would like.
Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Until next time, God bless and go out and create something great.